Hi guys, JoAnna from Indiana coming to you again from the Buzzed Kitchen. Tonight we're going to just really quick show you the first of our holiday cookies. Thanksgiving is this Thursday, so time to get ready to do all those, festive holiday delicious baking. So the first cookie that I ever learned how to bake when I was little was Snickerdoodle. So generally, Snickerdoodle, you have to sit the dough in the fridge and let it chill for a couple hours, but I got this new recipe that says that you don't have to do that. So that speeds everything right up. So we're going to start with, today we have Kraken and root beer. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, we're going to mix our dry ingredients together first. I have already ready 2 3/4 cups of flour. You're going to add into your flour 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is what makes this different than a normal sugar cookie. It just does a little something different to the batter and the way they rise. So flour, cream of tartar, then you're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda.
Crazy cats
running around. And then we have 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and nutmeg. Mix that up a little bit. Get flour on the table. And that's ready to go. We'll just set that over there for a second. Okay, wet ingredients in the mixer. I already have in here 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. All you're going to do with that is add 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar. We're going to mix those together first. First, if you plug your mixer in, it usually speeds things up quite a bit. Okay. We're just going to let that cream together. And then we're going to add, slow that down, 2 eggs, 1 at a time. All right. And last 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And that's good. If you overmix, it's going to get too runny. So you just want everything well blended. And then you're going to slowly mix in your dry ingredients. A little bit at a time. And sometimes it goes everywhere. Alright. Done. And it's gonna be all stuck because cookie dough is thick. Ooh, scrape it off your paddle.
Get you, you're a champ now on that thing.
I know, right? That was so silly. I think we've used it more in the last week than we have since we got it, so. Alright, at this point, I'm going to take off these sticky gloves. Always want to, with anything baked, to scrape your bowl with the rubber spatula and make sure you get down to the bottom. Because sometimes even with the mixer, there'll be a little bit of dry stuff still left at the bottom. That looks like cookie dough, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So then, according to the recipe, it does not have to sit and chill. So it's ready to scoop. Get this out of the way. All right. So you're gonna want your oven preheated to 450. Whoa. Cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. Here I have mixed together for you a 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And we're gonna roll our cookies in this. I have a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop. Let me put some gloves on really quick, but we're gonna put some cookies in our cinnamon. Let me get some gloves on really quick. All right. Just mix these up in the sugar. Make sure they get covered all over. All right, and then you put them. I'd say for the size pan that we have, I would only put 6. Let's go ahead and get this other pan set up. And it's getting ready to start smelling like warm cinnamon as soon as we put these in the oven, and that just fills your house with like warm fall. It's a lovely smell. All right. Get these guys dressed for the party. All right. Our Snickerdoodles are ready to go in the oven. The oven is set at 450, and we're gonna start them out at about 8 minutes, but you know how it goes. It'll be anywhere from 8 to ... So we'll see you back and we'll check them. Cooperate, please. All right, there we go. All right, we're back. It really smells like cinnamon in here, and our 8 minutes are almost up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man. Beautiful. I like how the cinnamon cracks and you get those nice little separations. So these have to cool off for a second, but then I'll break one open and show you the inside. Alright, so they've cooled off enough. They're still warm, but they've cooled off enough for us to put them on the plate. Oh, they're pretty. It smells so good in here. Alright. So, your finished Snickerdoodles will look something like this. And then they're always kind of fluffy, chewy, but the outside will be a little crisp to it. And then, holiday cookies kind of make me feel like a little kid again. So, alright. So what was your favorite holiday cookie when you were little? Or the first cookie that you ever made? I would love to hear about it. So if you just want to leave in the comments below, love to see what you got. So, sorry. I also took a nap today, so I'm a little out of it. But yes. So, like, share, subscribe to the Buzzed Kitchen. Come and see, you know, the latest whatever me and Kenny got going on. And yeah, love to see your cookies. Happy baking and happy holidays, guys.